Are you serious? Does building a good-looking PC really have to be this torturous? This is ridiculous. Now, welcome to the next stage of evolution, the Asiahorse CosmiQ Modular Fans. Its secret is as simple as click, connect, and you are done. See that? No tooth need, they snap together like Lego. A single cable runs the whole show, making massive cable measurement a thing of the past. And the magic part, the lights sync up automatically. That moment you press power, pure magic, your setup instantly becomes the coolest spot in the room. For the professional, this a gaming changer. One header on your motherboard controls the whole change. No more fighting for headers, no more software headaches, just perfect sync every time.